Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to go ahead and trade Forex and S&P 500 on Bybit. Most of you don't know this is a new feature on Bybit and you can actually do this and make tons of money. In order for you to get started with trading Forex and S&P 500 on Bybit, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and create an account with Bybit. And if you don't have an account with Bybit, use my link in the description below so you can create an account with Bybit. And after creating an account with Bybit, you also need to complete your KYC, which means uploading a government identity so you can get verified on the platform and make use of this platform. If you've created your account on Bybit and you want to go ahead and verify your account, what you need to do is to come to your Bybit, then tap on this icon there, which is going to take you to this page. Then you're going to get to this page. Then you just have to click on this arrow here, and it's going to take you to this page where you can click on identity verification. So you need to make sure you've completed verification 1, that is the level 1 and level 2. All right, and once you've done, as you can see, currently I'm on level 2. Now once you verified your account to level 2, you can start trading Forex and S&P 500. Now if you wish to trade Forex and S&P 500, what you need to do is to come to the trade section on Bybit, and you're going to see this section called trade file. So you need to click on it and it's going to show you all these things on this page. So as you can see right here, this is what my trade fee looks like. As you can see, we have gold. As you can see, we have gold USD here, which is the normal gold USD you have on Forex. Then you can see we have Tesla stock, we have Nvidia stock, we have Microsoft, we have Strategy, we have Apple, we have Google, we have so many of this stuff. One thing that's going to catch your attention also is being able to trade Euro USD. As you can see, Euro USD, USD JPY, GDP USD, and all this stuff. So these are really nice assets you can actually trade on Bybit. So if you come to the bottom, you're also going to see S&P 500 as well. So let's say, for example, I want to trade gold. I'll click on gold, and you can see today's market for gold. This is 8th of August, and as you can see, the market is looking really choppy on the 1 hour time frame. Now if I decide to go ahead and take a trade on gold USD, I would go on the 15 minutes time frame, and what I'm going to do is to go ahead and make use of the 15 minutes time frame, or I'll make use of the 5 minutes time frame to get a better entry because of this whole chopping movement. Now there are some traders that want to go ahead and take this trade because it's choppy, it's just moving sideways and all. So this is not a good time to take this trade if you are making use of the 1 hour time frame to enter your trades and the likes. Before I go ahead and continue this video, I trade crypto, and if you are also new to crypto and you also want to go ahead and get free crypto signals that you can actually trade and make money, you can actually go ahead and join my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel will also be in the description of this video, so you can join my Telegram channel where I share free crypto signals and also few crypto educations. So now back to it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sell gold. I'm just taking this, then I'll just put in the quantity I want. Or else you can use USDT. So I'll just use USDT. I'll just put 1 USDT, so which is really small. Then I'll click on sell. Now it's not working. It's coming to TradeFi for the first time. You also need to terms and condition on the TradeFi before you can actually trade on this TradeFi page. And once you've done that, you have a different wallet for TradeFi and a different wallet for your sports, futures, and your normal funding wallets. Now, if you wish to go ahead and fund your TradeFi wallet, what you need to do is you need to fund with the P2P section on Bybit. Come to this section, come to the home section, click on P2P trading. Then you can actually go ahead and buy or trade. You can buy USDT, and when you buy USDT, it's going to be on your funding account. Then from your funding account, you can move it into your TradeFi account, because the TradeFi wallet is different from your unified trading. So to fund your TradeFi account, what you need to do is to do this. You come to trade, then you come to TradeFi, then you click on transfer. Then now, as you can see, it's going to ask you to transfer. Now it's going to ask you how to transfer. You just come to this funding section, so let's USDT, put in the amount of USDT, then you click on confirm, and it's going to convert and move the USDT into your TradeFi account. I currently have about just $2 on my TradeFi. As you can see, just only $2 here. Crypto trader and you're planning to trade gold USD and all, This is a really cool feature. You don't have to go ahead and start looking for a forex broker or a forex broker and trying to learn how to make use of MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 for trading. With Bybit TradeFi, you can actually go ahead and start trading gold, start trading Euro USD, start trading stocks, as you can see right here. So with that said, for this video, thanks for watching, and I hope you found the video really helpful. If there's anything in this video I missed out and you need help with it, you can join my Telegram community and mention it, and I'm going to try my best to give you an answer. And you can also go ahead and drop a comment below in case I missed anything and you're trying to learn about something about this TradeFi and I missed it out in this video. Go ahead and drop it in the comment section. I'll try my possible best to give you an answer. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.